Seng balang bapher jong jela menta ka sngi kila pensngau ya ka jingbin yaw halor ka jingbom aipor jong menteri ka sarkar kemi ubakmi ka tanat kampo yeng u Amit Shah bani kren bat yatai halor ka inner line permit bat kiwei kiman u president ka khasi students union samla lambok star wel marngar ulaong kidan bon kimat haringkat ka LP ka baki seng balang kila IT ka dorkhas show menteri ka sarkar kemi ubakmi ya ka tanat kampo yeng ka baki de bani kren markmat
kami nanti komki hon sak balang panangit bat pajba kejalar nanti bahkan mi kai ka jimi dia kenduk batu menteri kampo in jongka sekarang yang terkasih ndai ke basausi kalong ba musim alat batang banjakren paksitin ruk bedai bakai kibon ki isu bangila tho ila mention hakta ka dorkas ka jumi ndai kai ba khmat tam ni mut banjakren kalong halor ka ai bi sula ka sarkar dia ong hot na em spang le jing putri kam ko ka jela ka cuma hari ngi iru ndai tangi kum gisang balang ngai sakhi ne wat iki menteri sarkar ro semua alat tang menjadi skos tang cuba per dik ai pa pelong jingi ban wan penduk biang yu siam tak si galong ta janmit galong ba nomor kapor khambun udon siam panjo ban yakran baru menteri kampung yang sarkar diam tak menne Mereka ibu kumpa batayu siam kalong bah kedai kepuar bakem dia menteri kampung yang sekarang dia bersebut pat program support Asam mereka kepuar lembah siam batai bah kalong bah unsa khot ngi kukun hun seng balang mengkat kun menteri sel nombak dari banyak orang company atau kemat edisi bantuan kata kalong lembaga commission jonggu siam bat sekarang dia handai ngasuang tang kawai ka jingjiam ta sngi sngoba kadai kamdai tang ka install ya ka government ni gisang balang ni install ka jang jeng kawai uban ju kejat hadu kadi ka beri ka jongi kat ya kadi kubur isu boleh kran ni khosnam usmela menjakran badai lo kita nogram janman ka por ni kran ba ka sarkar dia imat mo banyu benyi mina khmi nanti lada sistem tam kata ka resolution pas ka sarkar jala sekai pak ni kran jing saling merculik meneling muculik pantang karai loong hoit ne em yes or no holo ka ai kata ka jumut kucumi din sngau ngin don kam sui ban aj tho andai jaj ba kidan pat kiwi isu bat mairu bi fa ban kro nisab ban biak sisir holo ka isu LP mereka jaga resolution la pas ka sukar jala kamdai tang ka sur jong hunju phungot rai maki ber persen yo pai ba jong jala ka to di ka sur pai ba to resolution sa ka sarkar kadi kesukaan dia ke banyu buram mat kada ben kentang itu ka resolution ke ben sngau jiko jenam ni ko juga jela ba ko kat baja ke jela manipur hi dang sel lai ndai ke jela ka jungi masau bobon mi ki dawa ko ni kumtai ri kanong rem ke jungi kun sang balang ngisiem ka ko kambenia si banwan song meeting khama penyatai seni ba dengan syukuran syai kolong ba kita ki jingi ki bolong demokratik kumen ke jungi kedang peteng ni khama ina kami inti ko makan kong ba nang perkhat ban ai garai ne ya ka ei ka khubor mut ban kwa pan sngo khlo to ros jan rai tang je kan mai la kata dikani ka pen iba ka sokar dia mat ka don asian net ka jingele ka jungi la kolong kum nu ani ya peteng nak smat makin nang yang kolong remba kum male yang du nang kong ka LP kirim pentrikam po ka jala ka chu ka kerwo ka basai kolong pi ka LP kam dei ka badang su mi tang ta ka sni menta ku ma ong la da ki sau tuli kisnam tulun ke cingrawa ka nei kerwo ka basai su paj ba jama jaj menteri kolong ba kanai ki isu LP kam dei isu tang jung sang balang kanai ki movement kam dei ki movement tang jung sang balang kanai ki movement jang jaj menteri koi paj ba kam tam ki trali muluk ngin jai petang ki movement jungi hadu ka singi benyu i baki an kenon ki baklan kam tam ka LP kanai mem longdok snam ko jala ka
dan ki meeting ki bakarki siapa asam na banbe siapa asam nomor 2 kemudian itu Prime Minister lapo ya Pak Asam. Toh aku first kerja kedua komentar, tong idang la iban ban pet yang sejisi nak kerja kedua bahasa sejisi. Tengi ingin ambil kata kerja kedua kau ingin kedua yang sejisi. Telah kamlang saya kata kerja kedua bahasa sejisi, kita sempat itu kita lagi itu. But ngeslo baka ka government nang niskemat kada iban kumangila juang man committee. Cabinet Minister atau Chief Minister kiri ban lech fodali ban penian ka kali amde ban pendam ila rangi sya pendam wana stir jongi ru dem tu mi apa ni kendu atau kamdai kajing ka cancel lagi ya ka jala ka jongi bakat ki kabinet ila lain ban ra ik merendam ban lech bak reception you home minister tang ban syong ru mi apa ni keran Ada consultation, ngata kami ngakali percaya iki kami minister tu nak tu, mau atau unun nam, lani minister ulek kami ya UP, Uttar Pradesh cabinet minister, unun nam leh tu, unun nam berleh Maharashtra cabinet minister, nenut tang ini nam, dia apa kilat yang ni sekaman, peneh elak rendang, peneh elak terpeng, namar badang ni penjam, ni posisi, kajing leh mana, jong minister kapali ba, kamdan ke respect. What a cabinet minister. Namanya ngarang keli ya minister cabinet andalami itu meeting. Ngakeli ngom hatu home minister unun number le kumni ya cabinet minister jong Maharashtra ya cabinet minister jong Uttar Pradesh nun number le tu bani kerani cabinet minister jong keran dayang. Suai tang kot cendor mino sebar. Cabinet minister level. Te kamne consultation ya ka stir ke jong. Te ngimene mari room hadim bi sung thu ba kamdan ke jing keran ke bobiang nimuhun. Ya kaji kundu mana sini, ini sebar kaji mamun, bad ba, dengan tak tahu nak kalian jong, ke government nak kalian jong chief minister, deputy chief minister, bagi cabinet minister, kebetulan mana, kiong ini ba, ini kundu biang bu chief minister mentah kesini, mentah janmir ini kundu mentah, kenang bang ini yo clarification bahkan saya no chief minister, kayak dia keren pat bu chief minister, namar ini mana ini orang ini mun, ini intensify kaji ngaki, kampat kul, ini apa intensify, teka nang ni kidi konsultu in cabinet minister jong iba kumno ni shale ha kita ki buri udana ka bor udana padali dara ki cabinet minister ki jongi ki rada ka level jong union kamtam chief minister donang tu mio tamani karan lu yong suyeng tang ban chong mio ban chong suyeng pa chandor mino telo som khulung along sili chandor tengi mina ngimi da ka bam sotanan ngilamut ba ngin perkhat da kumui mene ndai tong yong nginempat le bam joklo jini kam tadi nak kalian government ru request ni kyong ini kudu chief minister ini plan komnu ban yang ni semat ban ta de but tip shushu chief minister vikran yu badu home minister dan dia mentang yang kudu chief minister mentang ni kalau mau chief minister buang ba home minister unsai kudu kerpang yang ni ki sengbalang but ya ka cabinet minister cabinet ni po megalaya latest by February first week ada second week jong February begini akan dua podali begini keren. Begini ngelakukan saya chief minister mentah, bari uditi chief minister ngelakukan saya belar ngilaj podali ru, ini mekeren ya kau parti isu, ngilaj bani keren ya KLP. Mereka ajiat keren kamdai ya KLP, ngin melaj. Kata kali karai.
Di memorandum hijumi di menteri rangba balayo banya keren banya kelu jumput bat hambut kopor tinggi lawan keli na menteri rangba kai ka jingnya keren dengan menteri rangba home minister juga sarkar dia nah kalian juga menteri rangba pula tempawan ni ba home minister menteri ban ya keren bangi nama ketiga bat ke bejero bila dah gini keren tan south side se kan ukut di ong ba hendrai pula khotpat ya ka cabinet minister berkunjung ya ni kinong dalam sengbalang ban wan sadeli ban yo ban ya keren halon ni di ngilai hakajing start jonggu menteri rangba lalu penbet yang for but ban ya penbet hendrai most likely la ni kajing ya kendu la sikan long hakapor bakadang don kenika budget session jong parlimen namar de hakani kapor ba nakaliang jong HM ru undan nanti po dali ti ngikmi lenti pat ba ginyo ban kendu ti kumbang iong ba midap na jing sosi ti nisuthu ya kajing lenga nisuthu ya kajing bitar jong ki pajba jong ka jala hi berkoi but nakaliang jong ka komso hi berkoi kanom jong kliti ginomdu jing kermen rei ngin wan biang da kajing khun ko ba kamjanai ngin wan biang da kajing khun ko ba kam khlan ngin don yang kajing ya teli pramangi ba mi lenti ba habang idon kajing teli ba ngimdu jikan men ngin sala ban yo yo so jong ka LP ba ka jala ka jongi kan yo kajing ya da ko paka na kajing rukur klub ju poi jala
nakliang menteri rangba ka jala konrat ki sangmau loong au menteri ka sarkar kami ulakwa e bani kendo Henry na kajing don kajing elang Assam kebahu haban di Paikloi.
When the Honorable Home Minister initially made his program for Shillong and for the NEC plenary session, he was supposed to stay back in Shillong. And based on that, there was time was sought from him by the cabinet, and there were certain organizations who had requested the government to seek time for them also. So based on that, these slots were given, and HM was very keen to meet. But due to certain programs that came up in Assam, his program changed and he had to go back. So based on that, there was a change in the appointments, and HM's office requested that he may not be able to sit down with the cabinet and with the other organizations that have sought appointment, and he will not have the time to discuss because it will be very tight schedule. But on the insistence of the government of Meghalaya, that at least opportunity to hand over the memorandums should be given. So he agreed to that, and based on that today we submitted the memorandum, one from the government side, and other organizations also submitted that memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. Apart from that, Honorable Home Minister has conveyed to the cabinet through me and to the others who had sought appointment that he'll be happy to meet them, which is the cabinet and the other organizations in Delhi. So he has asked the office, my office, to coordinate, and based on that we'll be seeking appointment for the cabinet also and for the other organizations who had given in writing that they wanted to meet him. So those were the discussions that took place, and apart from that, in the NEC meeting also there were a lot of discussions that took place regarding the development issues, and a lot of positive suggestions came out from the Honorable Home Minister. One of the most important points that was mentioned in the meeting today was regarding certain steps that need to be taken by the Northeast states themselves to improve the overall situation out here, apart from the fact that Government of India is doing its best to support us in terms of finances and policy. So one point that came up very strongly was regarding the border issue, and the Honorable Home Minister has very clearly stated that when Bangladesh and India can resolve the border issue, why the Northeast states, which is within the Indian boundary, cannot resolve the issue. So he has urged all the states, with a special focus of course on Assam, because most of the states have the issue with Assam. He has requested that by 2022 and August 15th, when the Honorable Prime Minister gives a speech on the 75th anniversary of India's independence, that Northeast states should resolve their boundary issues, and he made that very, very clear in the meeting today. He also urged that other groups that are there, the militant groups are there. He has urged all the states to ensure that we are able to bring peace in the Northeast, and why the issues with these organizations also cannot be resolved. So these are very two important points that were mentioned in the meeting today by the Honorable HM. And apart from that, all the states have expressed their concerns regarding development and the different support they require. And most chief ministers stressed on the more active role of the NEC in the overall development of the Northeast, and to act as a coordinating body, a policy making body, and not just as a finance or the funding agency. So these were the kind of points that were discussed today and the basic summary of today's events.